Online piano class with Cecilia O. As you see this picture, fingers are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also left hand, the thumb is number 1, go down to the 5. It is very important to have right fingering on a certain passage. If you have wrong fingering, you cannot go through smoothly, nicely, all these passages. Let's go through the numbers so you can remember. Okay, thumb is number 1, both hands. Then number 2, and number 3, and number 4, and number 5. Okay, so you always have to have fingering numbers correct. There are mnemonics for you to remember all the notes. If you don't have this guide, you have to count up from the bottom to top and all this. So remember this, in the treble clef, there are 5 lines. Each line has words to it. Every, E, good, G, boy, B, does, D, fine, F. Every good boy does fine. That is for the line notes. So how it works is this. Every, you take it out, the first letter out of the word. You have to go through this one. Every good boy does fine. Every good boy does fine. Every good boy does fine. Remember this one. Then it will help you to remember the names. Spaces. There are 4 space notes. Space, 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 space. Okay, that's for the mnemonics for the treble clef. Bass clef is as same as the treble clef mnemonics. So it was every good boy does fine, always. Now in the bass clef, same thing, same word you are using, every good boy does fine always. Now, the difference is between the treble clef and bass clef, the position of a starting point. Okay, so treble clef used to start from the first line, but in the bass clef it drops down 1 line below. So not anymore here, but this one, every good boy does fine always. That is the only difference. You have to remember that. Then space notes are same as treble clef, F, A, C, E. Difference is the starting point. This used to be, F used to be first space in the treble clef. In the bass clef, you drop down 1 space. The first note of mnemonic in bass clef is 1 line below. So look at that treble clef. The first word, every, started on the first line, but in the bass clef, 1 line below. So every, E, good, G, B, boy, D, does, F, fine, A, always. Spaces are F-A-C-E, face, but the starting point is 1 space below, so that's F, A, C, E. Okay, if you remember all these mnemonics, it's easier for you to figure out what the notes are. I'm going to show you the landmarks of the notes. You see this one in the middle, so this is middle C, in between 2 clefs, treble clef and bass clef. And these are, you already have seen it, that's G clef. This treble clef is also called the G clef. That's G. In the bass clef, this is F line. In the bass clef, the sign starts from the F line. So that is F. And another one is high C and low C. This one is setting second space from the top. This is positioned second space from the bottom. And these are the highest one and lowest one you have never seen it. If you hold this line in half, like holding it up, this will match, this will match, this will match. So it is like a symmetric. All right? So you can see very easily, see, two letter line. We will learn the letter line later on, but two added line, that's a high C. Two added line, that's the lower C. It will help you to find the note very quickly. For instance, if you don't know what the note is in the music, then go to nearest landmark and see D, that is a D. We will end today's class, lesson 7 here, and then looking forward to lesson 8. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.